A Palm Beach County crime scene investigator has been disciplined, not for something that happened on the job, but for what happened allegedly on his wedding night. CBS 12's Al Peffley, he's been looking into the details. He joins us with more from where the scene of that incident happened over in Fort Pierce. Al?
Most people probably have very fond memories of their wedding night, but a PBSO crime scene investigator may not be too fond of what happened to him here on his wedding night that eventually led to his arrest. According to a Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office Internal Affairs report, Anthony Rodriguez, a crime scene investigator with PBSO, got into an altercation with a Lyft driver on his wedding night at the Lake House, a wedding venue near Fort Pierce. According to the report, the Lyft driver said Anthony was drunk and tried to bring multiple boxes of alcoholic beverages into the car, and some of the items would have to be crammed in the back seat with Anthony and his bride. The Lyft driver told Anthony he did not have enough space for everything and he would have to order a bigger ride. That's when the report says Anthony became irate and physically aggressive. He grabbed the victim in a headlock and took the victim to the ground. The victim said as Anthony struck him, he was pleading for his life and Anthony released his grip. The victim was then able to jump in his car and drive away. Anthony was charged with simple battery, but the charge was later dropped by the state attorney's office because the victim tampered with evidence, thus making him not credible as a witness. St. Lucie County State Attorney's Office was unable to prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt. Anthony told Internal Affairs that he was actually the victim, and he said the Lyft driver was aggressive and made threatening remarks, even saying the Lyft driver rushed towards him and pinned him against the car. PBSO determined although the charge against Rodriguez was dropped, Rodriguez violated policy by being criminally investigated and arrested, which could destroy public respect and confidence for the employee and PBSO. Rodriguez also failed to notify PBSO or his supervisor that he got into an off-duty altercation as required by policy. He was suspended for 16 hours. PBSO sent us a written statement saying, quote, the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office holds all employees to the highest standards of conduct, both on and off duty, as outlined in our Rules and Regulations Code of Conduct. Following a recent internal review, crime scene investigator Anthony Rodriguez was found to have engaged in conduct that did not align with these standards, resulting in him being disciplined. Reporting near Fort Pierce, Al Peffley, CBS 12 News.